Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your GoCardless account password. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to GoCardless.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, you can see settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and click on User Settings tab here. Now scroll down a little bit until you see Change Your Password option. You need to type in the new password on this field here. Make sure that it is of 12 characters. After typing in your new password, click on Save Changes button. Now you need to type in your current password on this field. After that, click on Submit button. Now your password has been changed successfully. So that is how you can change your password of GoCardless account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.